Okay, so we are beginning our online international education fair and the webinar is about to start. I can see we have about 100 students. I want to thank you for joining us today. I hope this is going to be a useful information when you're going to be attending till the end of the webinar. You will be able to learn about the scholarships, application fee waivers, the COVID-19 updates, and many more. So watch till the end and ask any question that you have. I hope it's going to be worth. Thanks.
Good morning, everyone. This is Krati from Crandall University. We are at New Brunswick, Mountain City, which comes under Atlantic Province, eastern coastal area of the Canada. And here we start our journey. With Crandall University, its campus, its complete a tour. This is our Crandall University representatives, Mr. Chris Robb, who's the Senior Director of Enrollment, who is in the campus, Mr. Denny Brown, who's the International Academic Dean, Mr. Tyler, who's International Counselor, and Mr. Rahul Messi, International Procurement, India, Asia. So I represent Indian admission office team, which we have a office in Taj Hotel, Delhi, and we are taking care the India Asia Pacific region completely. So we do have here a 5 to 6 member of team here, and we're gonna process all the applications within 24 hours. So the conditional offer letter attached would be within 24 hours. You'll be getting the conditional offer letters. Suppose if IELTS is pending and some provisionary documentations are awaiting, and let's suppose right now because of this pandemic worldwide, so there are lots of LORs and the documentations are pending. So that ways we can issue the conditional offer letter, which student can hold the seat for the particular time period. Here, why Canada, why Moncton, why Crandall, and what's our Crandall ethos? So all the information I'm going to share it right away. Why Canada? If everybody knows, Canada is a very popular country, not in terms of the quality education, but a much improved life also. We do have a proper system of working, of teaching, of learning, and living life. So the quality, Canada, why quality? If the quality matters, definitely it is much improved life, much better education, and because of this under PNP programs, which New Brunswick comes under Atlantic Province. So the PR possibilities and after PR processes, the student can benefit it in a longer way. And Canada itself is very friendly and safe country. This is my personal experience. Whenever I visited Canada, the people are very warm, welcoming. People are really friendly orientated, and there are lots of culture going on. Even right now in Canada, with Crandall, we do have a 26 country students in the campus, and they are all are widely spreaded all across the campus Canada, different provinces they come from, even within the Canada, Mexico, US, different side of Asia. And we celebrate all kind of a festival within the campus. We celebrate all kind of monuments together. So this is how about the beauty of Canada. Where is the Crandall University located? If you see the map here, Canada is a cold country, and Crandall is located on eastern coastal area of the Canada. If you see the map, it is above the New York City and near Quebec. So if you talk about Toronto, because Toronto is a famous city, so we have a 2-hour flight from Toronto, though we have a international airport also in Moncton too. So it is really centrally located, this Moncton and Crandall University, and that's why the job opportunities are plethora. So if you talk about part-time job, full-time job, so job is not an issue. We started this international department 3 years ago, and we are really running fine over there. And plus, previously we do have placement services like Costco, Bell, Walmart, TD Canada Trust, RBC, Royal Bank of Canada, and there are many. But right now we have some Indian players too, like Tech Mahindra, like HCL, and right now we do have 45 registered placement uh, offices, placement companies who are recruiting from Crandall. And if you talk about Crandall University, Crandall is a Christian faith-based university which is spread it into 200 acre in Mountain City North. This is our Ministry of Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship of Government statement that New Brunswick have their DNA a welcoming spirit and the understanding of the power of immigration to enhance the local community economy and culture. So this is how we have a nature. Basically, they were trying to say that in our DNA we are very warm, welcoming. We don't have any racism. We are really friendly, family oriented, cultured backgrounds. So the all the international students and immigrants we are welcoming from. Hello. Yes. So I'm saying why Moncton? Moncton population, if you talk about, we have population 108,000 citizenry as of now. And the Greater Moncton International Airport we do have, as I told you, hub city of the maritime. So if you talk about another provinces, another Atlantic provinces like Nova Scotia, Newfoundland, and other Atlantic provinces, they are the diversifying. You can see the different people from different countries, but the Moncton and especially Moncton located at a very central point of the New Brunswick. We do have multi cuisine. We do have uh, you know Indian grocery shops. We do have lots of things where our Indian Asian students can easily survive even off the campus. Though we have on campus accommodations too, but off campus if they want, so they can manage easily. If you talk about seasons, so we do have spring, summer, fall, and winter. We do have winter, no doubt, like -10 to 15, but snow, we do have a minimum period of time, like starts by December first week and ends by May, mid of the May. So we do have snow, but we do have a lesser snow, the lesser period of snow. Why Crandall? It is really important for student and counselors. So we do have small class sizes. We believe that we have a one-on-one interaction with our each student, and that's why we do have small class sizes. We are authorized partner with Oxford University, as I'm sure many of the study metro team also didn't know about it. Uh, we do have a one semester exchange program for English language. So there are very few from India and Asia, but still we have certain amount of students who are really interested, and they gone into the Oxford University for one semester, and it's really a life changing moment for them. And we do have a warm welcoming community. As I told you, we are providing some sort of a certificate, undergraduation, master's program within the Crandall. And Crandall University was founded in 1949. So we are very grounded and systematic by our roots, and we are very traditional by our ethics, but we are very modern by our infrastructure, by our teaching pattern, and thanks to our strong and experienced faculties, they are really providing their exclusive time, their exclusive experience and knowledge and sharing to the upcoming students, and they are going on and on. We do have some sort of championships also, like soccer, volleyball, basketball, cross country, boxing, and cricket also. So recently, Crandall won a provincial cricket tournament championship, and we won it. So we just don't have the cricket. We actually won the cricket tournament over there too. As I told you, Crandall is a private faith-based university, and our campus is really sophisticated in terms of no alcohol, no smoke, no drugs. So it's completely free from all these three habits, and we are completely focused on academic excellences and creating students who coming from India, Asia, or across the world with some sort of a aim, with some sort of a goal in their life. We are very safe and welcoming community, as I told you. So lots of talk about Crandall, that we have a quality education, small size, and easy access to post-graduation work permit. Also, we do have New Brunswick has a variety of PNP to help students for immigrants, because it is initiated by government, and government is really supporting that way. Here we do have a growing job market in Moncton, so yes, we don't have a problem for job searching job, be it part time or full time. And as of now, as per our previous experiences till January 2020 intakes, we have 100% placement and visa successes. International students study full time, yes. Even of the lectures, if you're really looking for some assistance, some tuition kind of arrangement from your related faculties, yes, you can go ahead with this. We do have online sessions where you can get assistance from your particular subject for your study. Crandall have undergraduation programs like Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Science. These all undergrads program for 4 years, and with this we have a 3 years work permit. And during the courses, they are allowed to work part-time 20 hours a week. For this, we need a IELTS is 6.5, not less than 6.0. And if somebody is having 6.0, not less than 6.0, then they have to take our English language preparation program separately, which is a 6-month program.
Krati, you just left out with few time. Can you just cover it up in 2 minutes?
Yeah, surely. So the main program,
Thank you.
that is Master of Organizational Management and Master of Management, that is our masters, and the most sellable product is Master of Management. It's 2-year masters with 3-year work permit. And here we have a paid internship in your 4th semester. So this we have a Bachelor of Arts in English, History, Psychology, Sociology, and some Biblical Studies. BBA we have Accounting, Economics, Marketing, Management. BSc luckily only we have in Biology. Master of Organizational Behavior is a 1-year program, master's full-time degree with 3 semesters. So who is coming from 5-year to 10-year experience holder, and they just want a international degree to flourish their next level of career opportunities, then they can go for it. But Master of Management, the 2-year master's program, can apply by freshers too. Here I have mentioned it. We have a 2-year program with internship. So this is it. If you compare our masters, it is very economical for our Indian market and Asian market. which cost you around 16,000 Canadian dollar. That's it, yearly, which all inclusive your textbook, your health insurance, your international activity funds, everything is included. For student benefit, we do have student ambassador group, we do have association, we do have society, we have all kind of amenities like library, cafeteria, gymnasium, and accommodation like dormitory, apartments, and hostel facility within the campus too. We can accept it all of this: IELTS, TOEFL, CAEL, LEA, MELAB, PTE, and because of this COVID-19, we are accepting Duolingo online English proficiency test too. If you guys want to apply any application, you can just send a request india@crandallu.ca, which we need the application form, and the set of documents will be required. That's it. This is our Duolingo you guys can Google it. What's the Duolingo? And it's an online paper for English test. Applying Crandall, and the offer letter timing is within 24 hours, as I mentioned to you earlier. And the letter of acceptance, we're gonna provide you 5 to 7 business days. Intake, we do have January, May, and September. So right now we are open for September 2020. My basic criteria is 60 to 65%, be it undergrads program and be it master's program, and the IELTS requirement 6.5, not less than 6.0. The overall we need 6.5. This is the set of documents I may require it for undergrads and graduation programs. The basic information. Job opportunities is plethora, and even after this internship, we do organize with the help of provincial government 3 to 4 times in a city, sometimes within the Crandall University campus, sometime out of the university campus in such a community hall in the city, 3 to 4 times job fair with the help of our support. Thank you so much, guys.
So this brings us to the end of the webinar. I hope the information that you have gained today is going to be useful for you for making an application to the university. If you still have any question or any query about applying to the university, then you contact one of the Study Metro representative. Thank you so much again for joining this webinar. Have a good one.